let me just, itong sa sundalo na AFP, they have 50 million a month. Yung V-Luna, they have 50 million a month. Yung PGH has 100 million a month. And that happened because some of their officials there went to me one day and said, yung medisina na talaga nila at nakikita nila yung mga intern na mismo ang nagbibigay ng tulong sa mga tao. So how much is your budgetary? Mag-abot ng per province, mag-abot ng mga 0.40. Kaya itong PGH natin, where we train the best of our young men or doctors, I gave them, sabi ko, 100 a month. Sabi nila, yearly. Kuno, I'll give you 100 a month. Tinawagan ko si Pangkor, si Andrea, sabi ko, maghanap ka, you set aside 100 million a month. Yung magpunta lang dyan, mga pasyente na medyo yung sakit nila malala.